Hi friends, welcome to Technical Solutions. I hereby came with the new topic regarding how we are misguided with the sellers saying Dolby Digital, DTS, Dolby Atmos formats and amplifiers. And nothing but friends, Dolby Digital, Dolby DTS or what do you say, Dolby Atmos or Blu-ray, it's all are the codecs of the videos or movies files. Okay, and I wanted to say you a small thing. The things which are or the home theaters which are shown in the video are my own make, and I am directly saying that these amplifiers are not supported any Dolby digital segment, and I am the one who is saying that these amplifiers won't support any Dolby digital. For Dolby digital, you should have one optical or coaxial inputs. Even HDMI also okay friends, but HDMI nowadays we are not getting. It is available in heavy receivers only, and I would say you should have optical input like Sony. And nowadays Sony also we are not getting any optical inputs. We are getting only optical output only, and we have to keep some Sony AV receivers or any AV receivers. We are using that output. And now I will let you know how we will use these optical sources for getting a 5.1 and how to enjoy the source. Okay, first of all, if you are using a TV and you want that TV program to get 5.1 or home theater purpose, you should have your TV with optical output, and with that optical output you should have some optical cable. And this amplifier or target home theater or ready-made home theaters for 6,000, 10,000, 8,000, any home theater it may be, it should have optical input. Okay, note this my friend, you should have optical input in that amplifiers, and TV should have optical output. From that optical output you will be giving to this amplifier optical input. And if you won't have, nothing to worry, we will have a decoder or a converter, and I personally made with some chips and with some boards one converter. Let's have a look. See friends, this was the converter, and inbuilt which will be there, you will be seeing this was output. This was 12 volt power supply, coaxial 1, coaxial 2, on off switch, optical 1, optical 2, and this is one 5.1 input, and stereo inputs, two stereo inputs are there. And now I will say you the brief explanation about this. Nothing but friends, if you are playing any DVD videos, just connect that 6 channels. See, we are giving 6 inputs: FL, FR, rear left, rear right, rear left, subwoofer, center. See, this 6 channel input should be there for getting exact 5.1. And if you give this input, we will get the converted, and we will get from this output to home theater. In home theater also you will be having like this: center, subwoofer, surround, rear left, rear right, FL, FR. Using these pins we will connect these pins to amplifier, and that pins will convert into 5.1. And another thing, I said you before about the optical and coaxial. Yes, in this decoder you had those. See, optical 1, optical 2, any of the thing you keep optical 1 and optical 2. Okay, if the optical cable from the TV, if you connect it to this optical input, and then you have to select mode inside it, and using that mode, if you select it, you will be getting the audio from the TV. And if the sources are original 5.1, then definitely friends, you will surely get 5.1 output. How, you may be asking, and maybe you will be download from torrents or some other websites or something. By playing from USB you can get 5.1, or else in TV, some smart TVs have enabled AHA, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, G5, and even another thing also, Tata Sky HD, Airtel HD, Geo HD. They are also giving optical out, and you can keep that optical out to this optical input, and using this optical input, this digital signal will be converted into analog signal, and analog out will be come to this amplifier, and using that analog signal, we will be using this amplifier as a Dolby digital amplifier. Without this, we can't even make, or we can't even hear any Dolby digital output. And not only this one, friends, we can get in online also some products like converter. It is HD Audio Rush, but I can't able to support it because it has many complaints from the customers. So I personally made this HD Audio Rush. Sorry, it's not HD Audio Rush. It was a converter, and I am giving personally to my customers to make their normal amplifier into 5.1 Dolby digital amplifiers, so that they can happily enjoy any type of movie like a theater feel. And even in this also, the specifications are ProLogic 2 is available, and even ProLogic 3 also available, and also the inputs also Dolby digital input output will be coming from this, and pure DTS you can enjoy. Okay friends, without these converters, don't trust any home theater Dolby digital, Dolby DTS, Dolby Atmos, anything. You will be getting only that type of signals from